What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird, and to know that my name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. I watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really she makes no mistakes. And when he cometh descending from heaven on a cloud like he rode in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of a great speckled bird.
What do you think that means?
The great speckled bird is a symbol of the church. That's what it means.